Hello, my dear students. This is Abhishek Mishra, Faculty of Social Studies at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, I am going to teach you Class 9th History Chapter number 1, French Revolution. In my last video, we had talked about the political symbols that were used by the people of France for their revolution. So here we are going to start this video with the topic End of Monarchy. So how the monarchy ended in France? See, on 10th of August in 1792, Jacobins. Now who were Jacobins? This we had already studied in my previous video. Jacobins were the people of third estate, comprises of artisans, shopkeepers, carpenters, etc. etc. So on 10th of August 1792, these Jacobins attacked the palace of Tuileries and there they imprisoned the king. King means monarch Louis XVI. So there they imprisoned the king, and after that they made a newly elected assembly that was called as convention. And this convention made France as a republican country on 21st of September 1792. Finally, on 21st of January 1793, Louis XVI was executed, and after some time his wife also faced the same fate. So how the end of monarchy was done in France? On 10th of August 1792, the people of third estate means Jacobins attacked the palace of Tuileries. There they imprisoned the king. After that they made a newly elected assembly that was called as convention, and this convention made France as a republican country on 21st of September 1792. Later on 21st of January 1793, when Louis XVI was found guilty in a court of law, so finally he was executed, and after some time his wife was also executed. Now the next topic in this video is Reign of Terror. See, Reign of Terror is also a very important topic in this video. So let's start. Reign of Terror is considered as the period between 1793 to 1794. Under this period, a Jacobin leader named as Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Whomsoever he considered his enemies, like ex-nobles, clergy, even the member of his own party who contempted him or disobeyed him, so directly they were arrested, imprisoned, and they were sent for a tribunal or a trial, and after that when they were found guilty, they were guillotined. Now there is a new word, guillotine. Guillotine was a device made by Dr. Guillotine, and this device consisted of two poles and a blade between them. So when a person was found guilty, directly his head was beheaded by this device. So meat and bread was also rationed by Jacobin leader Robespierre. He also forced peasants to sell their grain at the prices that were fixed by the government. Citizens were also forced to consume equality bread that was known as d'Egalite in France. Later on, when in 1794, this Robespierre was arrested and he was found guilty, so he also faced the same fate. So that was called as the Reign of Terror in France. Now the next topic in this video is a directly rule France. So after the fall of Jacobin government, the wealthier middle class people of third estate seized the power from the Jacobin government, and the people of third estate denied the right to vote to the non-propertied section of the society, and due to this political instability, Napoleon Bonaparte rise in power. So how the Jacobin government was formed, that we had seen in Reign of Terror, and after this Jacobin government directly rule France, and this directory gave the rise to Napoleon Bonaparte. Now the next topic is here, the condition of women. So condition of women was very pathetic in France. Women also played a very significant role in French Revolution. Mostly the women of third estate were considered as the working women. The daughter of nobles and the wealthier middle class only were allowed to study in convent school, while the women those who were from third estate, they have to work and their wages were also lower than that of men. Women were also subjected for early marriage, and their duty was only and only to do the household works. In 1791 constitution declared women as the passive citizen, so right to vote was also not given to them. And to get this right to vote, from 1848 these women started establishing the political club for them to get the right to vote. Finally, after a struggle of a very long time, in 1946 all the women of France got the right to vote. Thank you.